function f of 2 power x plus 1 into bracket equals 4 power x. Find f of x. We are given f over 2 power x plus 1 equals 4 power x. We can say that let 2 power x plus 1 be t. Then 2 power x equals t minus 1. This implies that f of t equals 4 power x. But we know that 4 power x equals 2 power 2 power x. Because 4, we can write 4 as 2 power 2. Then bracket x. And we can also write this as a 2 power x power 2 using the indices rules. Now, we can say that therefore f over t equals 2 power x power 2. Substituting 2 power x here on the right hand side with t minus 1. With the t minus 1, we have f of t equals t minus 1 power 2. And replacing t with x, we have f power x equals x minus 1 power 2. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching.